Good afternoon po, ma'am. I am here to present my program for this activity entitled Individual Activity for this subject, Computer Programming 2. So, before I start my program coding, let me read the description of this activity. So, create a program for a simple calculator. Use classes, objects, and any of the pillars of OOP or object-oriented programming. So, reminders, I know there's a lot of code available on the web and you can make them as your references. Take note that you must explain the content of every class you will write, especially its purpose to the whole program, and use only these operations, which are the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and the modulo. So let's go to our Visual Studio to start the coding. So I named this project in Simple Calculator. So sa coding nito is gagamit tayo ng mga classes, objects, and then the OOP. Ang OOP, Object-Oriented Programming, natin gagamit. Pillars of OOP rather is encapsulation. So, sa encapsulation, meron yung user-defined class, the field, the property, and then the method, which are the getters and then the setters. So, ang first natin code is the magdi-display sa ating console window ng input the first number and input the second number. Sa calculator, kailangan natin yon kasi nga, ano yung i-compute? What numbers yung i-compute? So, there's either are the first number and then the second number. So, sa baba ng ating project name is magagawa tayo ng ating class. So, I name this as first kasi first number siya. So, inside of that is this is our user-defined class. So, public, our access modifier, our data type is double kasi there's a possibility na gamitin natin ang input ni user is my decimal point. So, ang ating variable name is num1. Num1. So, sa baba nun is the public double, this is our property, this is our field, so this is our property. Num1. Magkaiba yung kanilang, there's a semicolon pala. Magkaiba yung kanilang variable name. There's a difference with this one, magkaiba sila, tsaka ito magkaiba. So, our method, which is the get. Then, under that is our return num1. Num1 set. Sorry, set. Oops. Set our num1 is equal to value. And then semicolon. So, under that is maglalagay na tayo ng ating mag-display sa ating console window na input user input the first number. So, first is the public again, then the double input 1 kasi first number siya. Under that is the console right line. Lagyan natin space. Console.right line. Input the first number. So, semicolon. This is only right. Para mag-display siya sa kanyang same line. So, i-convert na natin siya. Pinangalanan ko to ng yung ating property, our property. is our property. So, convert na natin siya. Convert that. Sorry. Our understood na siya ay double. 2 double and console that read line. Console that read line. And then return num1. Return num1. Semicolon. So, tapos we're done to our input first number. So, let's go to our inputting the second number. So, copy-paste lang natin to. Copy-paste. So, palitan lang natin to ng second. Next, for our next class. So, num2, 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 and input 2, num2, second number, second num2. So, we're done with that. Ito yung magdi-display sa ating console window. Input the first number and then input the second number. So, lalagyan natin siya sa main program pag i-initiate para surely na magdi-display siya sa ating console window. So, lalagyan natin pangalan nating class is first. Then, our object is for now. For now. So, new, the keyword for that is very important for instantiation. So, again, our class. So, semicolon, parenthesis, close natin parenthesis. Second, secnum, object name is equal to new, and then second. So we are done with our displaying the container for putting the first number and then putting the second number. So let's focus on our operations. There will be a choices para magkaroon na ng computation. So lalagyan mo natin is console that write right line operations. So again, console that right line plus minus times divide and our modulo. So semicolon again, and then console that right our spacing again, input the operator. Input the operator. Semicolon. So, convert na natin siya car kasi single character lang ating gagamitin. Car. Upper. Gamit tayo ng variable na upper. Is equal to, so convert na natin siya sa car. To car console that read line. So, semicolon again. So, we're done with this. Magkakaroon naman tayo ng another class for the computation class. So, under this is our class. Papangalan natin siya ng compute. Yes, class compute. So, sa baba ng ating class compute, isilalagay na natin yung ating public double answer for the answer. Ito, yung mga pinag-initiate natin, i-copy-paste lang natin siya dito. Para totally na siya talaga yung kung ano yung in-input ni user, yun yung mag-compute. Okay. For example, nilagay niya is 1. So, second is 2. So, tapos ang pinili niyang operation is plus. So, 1 plus 2. Para automatically na magsosolve na siya. So, lalagyan natin is public void our addition. Si addition. No. Addition. First operator natin is addition. Addition, and then under that is the ating variable name na ans. So, ans. Next is ang ating object name na fernum that input 1. And then parenthesis so plus kasi nga siya ay addition. So next is the secnum that input 2. Input 2 close natin parenthesis. Then semicolon. So copy paste lang natin to para sa ating pang operators. So addition, palitan lang natin to ng subtraction. Subtraction, multiplication, division, then the modules. So, we are done with that. So, yun na. Magkakaroon na tayo ng computation. So, initiate natin naman yung compute. Ilagay natin dito. Mag-initiate tayo. So, class ulit, compute. Then, ang gagawin natin name is opera. Lagyan natin opera. Yes, variable na operas. So, again, compute. Semicolon. That's it. And then, our last step natin, yung ating, magkakaroon tayo ng mga if statement. Kasi nga, kung ano ba yung pipiliin ni user, it's either do sa 5. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, or the modulus. So, maglalagay tayo ng if close natin parenthesis, if upper is equal to plus lagay natin yung uppers that addition. Kasi, ibig sabihin, addition yung gagawin niya. Addition. So, that's it. Wait, there's an error. Sorry, there's a parenthesis. So, copy lang natin siya for the other operation. So, palitan lang natin to for the minus subtraction. Multiplication, division, and of course, the modulus. So, we are done with this. Console that read. So,